Okay, guys, you actually just saw I put on the very first part of this video a picture of the pour right after it was done of the skull, and then I also put a picture of it after it came out of the pickle pot. Um, I've been working on it for a couple of hours, and I just want to real quick show you where we're at. So it is actually starting to take shape. I'm going to go ahead and continue to work on it. I'll time lapse this, but I'm going to just let you watch me work on it for a little while. I've got the nose partially done. I've got the mouth partially done, so we're going to go ahead and finish working on the mouth area, probably a little bit more on the nose, and continue getting it down to a master. And then what I'm going to do with it is I will actually do a sand mold of the entire piece, but both sides. In other words, I'm going to have this back side as smooth as I can, and this, polished and all that. But anyway, I'm going to just go ahead and work on it, and you guys can just hang out and watch me. I believe from kind of my estimates that when it's all said and done, it's probably going to pour somewhere around a 10-ounce silver skull. I'm not positive yet, but I'm thinking that's about where it's going to be. Naturally, I'm not going to know for sure till I completely pour the first one. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to work on this. So we will talk at you again in a little bit. Well guys, as you can see from my little note there, my camera kicked the bucket on me, so I didn't know I was finishing this thing up, and nobody was watching me do it. But anyway, there it is. It's all finished up. We got the mouth complete. Got a good profile on it. Nose is done. It's all polished up. So it is actually ready to use for a master to pour a silver one out of. So anyway, it is all done. It is complete. Like I said, I know I could have made it out of lead or tin or something that would have been easier to work, but I figured I might as well make a good one because I know it's going to end up in Cheryl's little collection case. But there she is. If you'll hang on just a second, I will pause and get a weight on it in copper. And I'll be right back, just a sec. Okay guys, we got a weight on it. It weighs 6.38 ounces troy in copper. So I am still thinking it's probably going to yield somewhere around 10 ounces in silver. It's going to be close to that, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, but anyway, it is all finished. It is ready to use as a master for a mold, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here, and we will get back at you when we are going to mold it and pour it out of silver. And it may be a week or so before I can even get to that, because I actually have to work. I just put out the 500 sub giveaway video, and I am going to have to work this entire week, or at least the next 6 days straight. I mean, I'm working 9 out of the last 10 days, but anywho, we will get back at you when we go to pour this booger in silver. I can't hardly wait. So we'll see you then, guys. Everybody have a good one, and we'll get back at you with that video shortly.